Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by harvesting ripe garden produce, berries, zucchini, citrus, and edible flowers for flavor and garnish. Once picked, wash and pat dry to remove grit. This preserves texture. Measure your basic dry mix, 2 cups flour and 3/4 cup sugar, plus leavening. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease your pan so batter won't stick. While the oven heats, zest citrus and chop fruit. These first actions sets now you make the batter and lock in garden flavor. Cream butter and sugar until light, then beat in 2 eggs one at a time so the mixture emulsifies. This gives lift. Alternate folding the dry mix with about 1/2 cup milk to keep batter smooth, and gently fold in chopped fruit. For herbal notes, steep a sprig of rosemary or mint in warm milk for 10 minutes, strain, and use that milk. It infuses aroma without overpowering the cake's crumb. You bake immediately to preserve lift. Pour batter into the pan and bake 25 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees, checking with a toothpick until it comes out clean. Once baked, cool completely on a rack before glazing or whipping cream. This prevents a soggy top. Finish with an herb syrup or candied garden flowers for visual and flavor contrast. If the cake turns out dense, troubleshoot by checking your leavening is fresh. Avoid overmixing the batter, and make sure your oven runs true to temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.